Hello, and good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to sign in to the Zoom application using the single sign-on option. So once you open up the Zoom application, you'll be asked to log in. Once you're on this screen, you are presented with the various options to log into the application. The one that we're interested in is the one marked SSO. Once we click on that SSO option, you'll be asked to put in the company domain name. In our case, that's LAUSD. We're going to go ahead and click continue. And you'll be greeted with the usual login screen for any of the LAUSD applications. Go ahead and put in your LAUSD email, type in your LAUSD email password, click sign in, and the Zoom application will finish authenticating your account. You'll know that your account is authenticated correctly because if you go to the upper right hand corner of the app and click on your image, you'll see your last name, first name, and your district email. And that's all you have to do to get yourself ready for the WASP visit. Thank you for following along.